Hello everyone, welcome to Aanvii Hearing. Today I'm going to tell you the importance of PTA hearing test in hearing loss prevention. In India, hearing loss affects approximately 63 million people, accounting for 6.3% of the population. Various factors contribute to hearing loss, including disease, aging, exposure to loud noise, hereditary factors, and more. While curing hearing loss may not always be possible, interventions like hearing aids can help restore the ability to hear. Early diagnosis is crucial to prevent further degeneration, making it essential to undergo tests like pure tone audiometry, which is PTA, for accurate assessment. What is a PTA hearing test? The pure tone audiometry, which is a PTA test, is a behavioral test used to assess a person's hearing sensitivity. It measures the threshold of a person's hearing ability, the level, type, and configuration of hearing loss. Unlike other tests like speech perception and tuning fork test, PTA offers highly accurate results, making it the gold standard among hearing professionals. Why undergo a PTA hearing test? A PTA hearing test helps in diagnosing various types of hearing loss, ranging from mild to profound. It also assesses balance issues and defects in the inner ear. The test measures the least audible sound a person can hear and helps analyze the configuration of hearing loss, enabling precise treatment planning. How is a PTA hearing test conducted? The PTA hearing test is a painless procedure that involves wearing earphones connected to an audiometer. Pure tones of specific frequencies and volumes are delivered to both ears, and the patient is required to signal when they hear a sound. The audiologist measures the minimum hearing threshold and depicts it on a graph to assess the percentage of hearing loss. Benefits of the PTA hearing test: measures the least audible sound a person can hear accurately, analyzes the configuration of hearing loss and determines the type via air and bone conduction audiometry, enables precise treatment planning and management of progressive hearing loss conditions. Considerations before a PTA test: patient must be responsive during the test to ensure accurate results. Check for earwax buildup and consult with an ENT specialist if necessary. Avoid the test during a cold or if experiencing ear related discomfort. Patients should familiarize themselves with the test procedure and any specific instructions from the audiologist. The PTA hearing test is essential for accurate diagnosis and treatment planning in cases of hearing loss. At Aanvii Hearing, we prioritize early detection and intervention to help individuals manage hearing loss effectively. With our team of expert audiologists and a network of hearing centers across India, we ensure personalized care and support for all your hearing health needs. For expert advice and consultations on hearing loss issues and audiometry test, call us at 9658395839 or visit our website, which is www.aanvihearing.com.